Happy Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs, and today I'm here with some happy mail that I just received in the mail today. And I slipped the top open, but I haven't peeked inside yet. I see there's a letter, a little note, but I'm not going to read that on camera. And we have a little scallop circle. If y'all hear that, I don't know what that is. And there's a card here, an ATC card that she made with the number 5 on it. And it's got a picture of horses pulling some old gardening tools. I'm going to take this out because it has her address on the back. And then we also have 1, 2 tags. We have this flag. We have some twine. Here we have the word off. We have 1 heart. What I'm going to call a book tag. Another flag. Then we have a whale. Let me see. Let me pour everything into my hand to see what else is in here. We have a dream catcher sticker. We have a few buttons. I don't know what these are, but there's a few of the next item I'm going to show in here. Oh, we got a few of these. I don't know what you call them. And then here's some more buttons. There's a heart-shaped one. Here's some foam letters. Another 2 tags. Another foam letter. Oops. 2 more hearts. Another tag. Another heart. And another one of these little, I don't know what they call them, but if Ms Cynthia's watching, she could let me know. And we have some butterflies, some leaves, and some sequins. So I'm not sure if this is for my scrap it in tin, but I'm gonna use it as that. So I will be back in another video to show y'all what I did with all of this. Okay? And thank you, Ms Cynthia. Let me see. I'm gonna read the note offline, off camera. Oh, there's some little bits and bobs that she's sending me to play with. So I'm gonna use this as my first scrapping in tin project. Okay, so it's not gonna be done on this video. It's gonna be done in a separate video. So we're going to pick all this up and put it back in its bag and put it back in the envelope. But I want to thank Ms Cynthia for sending me this. I will see what I can do with it, which I have a couple of ideas in my head already, but we will see what's to come of these little bits and bobs. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, comment. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And also, if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I go live, when I upload, or when I do a premiere. So I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, please be kind, be safe, be caring, be loving. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And see y'all next time. Bye-bye for now.